Life is full of details. Whether you're on the road, renovating your home, or preparing for the unexpected, you need a single, secure place to keep track of it all. That's where Just In Case comes in. Meet Chris. He's taking on a full basement renovation project, including demolition, framing, wiring, flooring, and plumbing. With so many moving parts, it's easy to lose track. But Chris catalogs every stage in Just In Case. His photos, quick videos, receipts and invoices, and his notes and ideas, all neatly organized. Now, as often happens, everything is finished, but something was missed during install. But with Just In Case, this is no problem. Chris just checks his records to see exactly where it's located, saving time, money, and a whole lot of frustration for everyone. Renovate with confidence and protect your home and belongings. With Just In Case, peace of mind is just a tap away. Download now and start your free trial because life happens.